Hey there, fellow nature enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on a journey with me to one of the most magical places on Earth, Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. Trust me, this place is a real-life fairy tale. Picture this: vast stretches of lush greenery, crystal-clear lakes, and a vibe that's nothing short of enchanting. We're diving into the heart of Croatia, and it's going to be a wild ride.
This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Plitvice Lakes National Park isn't just a park. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's like Mother Nature's masterpiece. It's the kind of place that leaves you in awe and gives you all the feels.
I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call.
Okay, so the park is basically a bunch of lakes holding hands and creating this stunning, interconnected wonderland. The colors of these lakes are so breathtaking that you'll think your eyes are playing tricks on you.
River's gonna cry when you're gone.
And hold on to your hats, because we're about to chase some waterfalls. From the roaring big ones to the sweet little ones, these waterfalls are like the park's way of showing off its bling. But wait, there's more. Plitvice Lakes isn't just about the lakes and waterfalls. It's a bustling neighborhood for all kinds of plants and critters. It's basically a nature party, and everyone's invited. Now, here's the cool part. This place changes outfits with the seasons. Whether it's rocking autumn hues or putting on a snowy winter coat, Plitvice Lakes knows how to keep things interesting.
When we sat there, you and I, the river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Time to hit the boardwalk. These wooden paths let you stroll through the heart of the park without cramping Mother Nature's style. It's like a VIP tour of the coolest natural wonder on the planet.
River's gonna cry when you're...
And here's the heartwarming part. Plitvice Lakes isn't just a pretty face. It's committed to keeping the magic alive. There are folks here working hard to make sure this wonder stays wonderful for years to come. As we wrap up this adventure, remember that Plitvice Lakes National Park isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. If this journey got your wanderlust tingling, consider planning a trip and experiencing the magic for yourself.
To leave this place where we grew up, this old town.
Don't forget to hit that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more nature escapades.